Unraveling the Strands, the World of Hair Braids. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English a piece of cake. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only a part of everyday conversation but also a rich cultural expression: hair braids. Whether you're a language learner or a curious cat about customs and terms, stick with us to untangle the meaning behind this common phrase. When we talk about a hair braid, we're referring to a complex structure or pattern formed by interlacing 3 or more strands of hair. Braiding hair is a tradition that spans across various cultures and centuries, and it's as much a form of self-expression as it is a practical way to keep hair tidy. Braids come in all shapes and sizes, and knowing a few can really spice up your vocabulary. Let's explore classic braid, or plait, a simple 3-strand braid that's the basis of all braiding. French braid. This braid involves gradually adding hair into a 3-strand braid, starting from the crown of the head. Dutch braid. Similar to the French braid, but each strand is crossed under the others, giving it a 3D effect. Fishtail braid, made with 2 strands, where you take small pieces from each side to weave them together. Cornrows. These are tight, flat braids that are braided close to the scalp in straight, raised rows. Braids are not just for style, they're steeped in cultural significance. In many cultures, braids can signify marital status, age, wealth, social position, and even religion. They're a symbol of identity and sometimes an act of social bonding when created by friends or family members. To weave the phrase into your English conversations, here's how you might use it. I love your hair braid. Did you do it yourself? Braids are a great way to manage long hair in the summer heat. The character in the novel wore her hair in a braid, which signified her warrior status. Let's twist into the practical side. Braiding may seem complicated, but it's all about practice. Starting with a simple 3-strand braid, you divide the hair into even sections and alternately cross the strands over each other until you reach the hair's end. And that's a wrap on hair braids. Whether you're admiring them as a fashion statement or exploring their deeper cultural roots, understanding the term hair braid adds a strand of knowledge to your English language tapestry. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be braiding words as smoothly as hair. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.